How to fix video call problem in WhatsApp on iPhone. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, simply go ahead and open Settings application in your mobile device. Once you are inside Settings, scroll below until you find WhatsApp. Now once you find it, simply tap onto it. Now, inside the settings of WhatsApp, you'll have to make sure that your microphone and camera is toggled on. Now, once you do so, head back to your home screen and then open WhatsApp to see if the problem is fixed or not. If it still does not fix your issue, simply go ahead and open App Store. Once you open it up, in the search bar, search for WhatsApp. And once you search for it, in the blue button, if it says update instead of open, simply tap on update and let your WhatsApp application update to its latest version. Now once it is updated, head back to your home screen and then the next step would be to restart your mobile device. Once you restart your mobile device, simply go ahead and open WhatsApp and then try it again. If it still does not fix your issue, you might have to reinstall the WhatsApp application. For that, long press WhatsApp, tap on Remove App, tap on Delete App, and then tap on Delete again. Once WhatsApp is deleted from your device, go ahead and open App Store to reinstall the WhatsApp in your mobile device. And with that, your problem will be fixed. And that is it for today's video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. And stay tuned until our next upload.